This is how you connect Thrive themes with ActiveCampaign.
Hi, welcome to sharingyourpassion.com. Let's get it on.
Simply go into your Thrive dashboard, then down to API connections, manage connections, request a new integration, select the app, ActiveCampaign, and you need your API URL and API key. So let's go to our ActiveCampaign account. From your dashboard, just click Settings, Developer. Here's your API access, URL and key. Just copy those over and just paste those in and ready to connect. ActiveCampaign connection ready. You can now connect your opt-in forms to ActiveCampaign. Bada bing, bada boom, and it's done.